Self-pay eats. I gotta eat. Hey man, you know I'm at work, man. At the new job, you feel me? Been on this job for about a couple weeks now. I ain't really got a chance to review all the spots up over here yet, but I'm reviewing this Sunset Tavern right now. Hey y'all, this shit fire. I wasn't gonna do no review. I'm on a quick 30-minute break. You know what I'm saying? I was just gonna eat, but when I say the chicken fingers, look how big the chicken fingers is, y'all. The chicken fingers is big. Seasoned to perfection. They're crispy. But look at the fries though. Or the chips. They cut them like chips, but they're French fries though. Motherfucker seasoned. Just right. Sunset Tavern in Henderson, next to Johnny Max. It's on the end. Where Johnny Max is at, it's on the end. Small little bar, but they're popping. Again, look at the chip, how they cut them. But it's on point, y'all. Sunset Tavern, chicken tenders, fire. Get out my plate.